Hey guys, what is up and welcome back. Welcome if you are new to the channel. I thought I would go ahead and film a day of eating, what I ate in a day type of video. It's been a little bit since I've filmed one of these. Now this video is not like following a specific diet, nutritious diet. In fact, I'm about to go have myself a decadent coffee. I might have a s'mores later with my daughter. This is not like a healthy or a specific type of diet video. I just thought I would go ahead and share what I ate in a day, possibly something delicious and yummy for dinner, recipe wise. I am out and about running some errands. This morning I had around 10 a.m. is when I typically start to get hungry, and I'm gathering myself for the day. I had a yogurt parfait for breakfast. It is so good. Simple, right? Simple. You can make it the night ahead, or you can just assemble it on the go while you're heading into work or getting yourself ready for the day like I do. And that is what I had for breakfast. So it is about noon now. I am kind of out and about running some errands. I'm actually currently at the library because we have books that are due. And I think I'm going to try to grab a couple of reading books for Sydney. I might take her here next week when she's not at summer camp, but I don't want to forget to return them while I'm out. So I'm going to do that. Then I'm going to pop over. If you remember, I think in one of my very recent vlogs, I shared the smoothie place where Sydney and I enjoyed some smoothies and smoothie bowls. Well, they have, I saw on their menu, a peanut butter, I can't remember if it's a peanut butter latte or a peanut butter cold brew, but I want one in the worst way. So that's what we're gonna go do. Then I have to stop at the post office and do that type of stuff. So I don't think I'm gonna have like a traditional lunch today since I did have such a late breakfast, but that's kind of typically where I'm at. If I'm not working out super early in the morning, then my eating schedule is kind of like weird. Anyway, and yeah, it's a very busy day downtown, so hopefully I can find parking to grab that coffee. I will make it happen because coffee is priority. So we actually never even watched this dinosaur movie. We only watched one movie last week and never got to this, so maybe we'll do it another time. And since I know she won't do this on her own, I am going to pick her out reading books this summer. finding like some good ones. A movie for hopefully movie night Friday night. It's kind of become our routine. Alright, so I returned our books, got a couple of more. I had to while I was there. They had like that pirate bin. I don't know, I just grabbed one. Bedtime story. We have Paddington. I don't think she's seen this. Maybe she has, but I really don't think she has. And I didn't plan on Friday nights being movie night, but it kind of tends to be what we do, like Friday night fun night, and that's when we watch like our one movie a week. And it's been working out wonderfully. Anyway, I grabbed Paddington. Hopefully she's interested in watching that. At this point, she'll probably just be happy watching anything. And then I just grabbed some various reading books, some for, you know, helping her along, and then others just for quiet time where she can kind of mindlessly read to herself. So we did that. Now, like I said before, I'm craving that peanut butter coffee. I don't even know what it is. I'm craving it. And I've been doing really good at making my own cold brew from home because it's so much less expensive, but I am out and I want one. So that's where we're at. Now I am reminded why I make my own coffees at home these days, because $7 latte. But I also live in a tourist town, so here we go. It's okay. It's a nice little treat. I have it made with oat milk. That's what she suggested. I didn't know if I should go regular, and then I asked what she suggested, and she said I like it with oat milk. And I go, brilliant, because I love oat milk. This is delicious. It's really nutty. I bet I could make something I bet I could make this at home, and it would be just as delicious. It's a nice little treat to have out and about. I was really craving a little iced coffee moment, and this will act like a snack and kind of hold me over for a little bit while I finish running my errands. I gotta go to the post office. Honestly, it'd be really nice to sit by the water for a little bit and sip on the coffee, but I'm parked in a 15-minute parking area and that's not going to work. So I'll just finish running my errands anyway. I have some other things that I should be doing for work and household items. So I'm gonna go enjoy my coffee and go about my day. It is delicious though. I just picked Sydney up from summer camp and it's about 3:45 right now, and I cut up some watermelon for her for a little snack. I'm gonna have some watermelon myself. That sounds delicious and refreshing. I also grabbed some cashews, so I'm gonna just snack on a handful of cashews and some watermelon before dinner. I think for dinner tonight I'm craving, I had it one time with a friend. We went to lunch and had like Greek pitas, and I've been craving them ever since. And so I'm gonna go ahead and make some Greek pita grilled like sandwich things for dinner. That sounds delicious. But until then, I'm gonna snack on a little something. I'm still working on the coffee. It's almost done. but it's definitely held me over until now. I know it doesn't seem like I'm eating a lot, but that's because I started eating at like 10 and the yogurt's really filling, and I didn't work out this morning. If I'm working out, my appetite goes through the roof.
But I'm okay for now. I said I still want more, but I'm
okay, all the rest, or I got one more piece. Can you make sure that goes right into the bag? You want this last piece? Yum. This is like the only time of year that watermelons actually taste like watermelon's supposed to. Here in Maine, at least.
Getting back in shape. How are we doing? How you feeling?
I feel good. I mean, I'm probably, like I said, the kids and I, and my wife.
It's about time for dinner. We are both a little bit hungry, so I'm gonna go ahead and make some pitas. I've been craving them ever since I went to lunch with a friend and had Greek pitas one day. So I'm gonna try to recreate. They're probably not gonna be as good, but I have the pitas. I have some chicken here. I've just chopped up a little bit, already cooked chicken, cucumbers, red onion, tomato, feta and tzatziki sauce, Kalamata olives as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and assemble them. I thought it would be nice and refreshing for the summer, not too heavy or hot or anything like that. So crossing fingers, hopefully it is delicious. Taking my first bite on camera, and then I'll go sit and enjoy it.
First, I looked where the chocolate milk was. Then I looked where the spaghetti and tomato sauce was. And I also looked where the delicious candy was.
One thing that I forgot to do, which I think I'm just gonna add, I forgot to kind of marinate or soak the onion in red wine vinegar. I think that would make it a little better. So since I didn't soak the onion, I think I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of vinegar on top because it does need some tang, I feel like. Just needs a little touch. Too much. Okay. Next time, I'm gonna soak the onions. Like, I know better, but I just didn't have time. I didn't make the time. Now let's try it. That vinegar made the world of difference. Dinner was delicious. I am officially sweating. Sydney and I just went outside, played with friends for a little bit. And she has worked up another appetite. I think we're gonna have, what are we gonna eat? S'mores. So we're gonna have s'mores in the microwave though, because we don't have means to do it otherwise. You wanna help make it? Or do you just want me to make it?
I want to help.
You wanna help? Okay, go get your step stool.
Dang, two more comes in. Can I have one plain?
Yeah.
Mmm.
Alright, so for s'mores, so one marshmallow goes on top of there. Is that an olive? Mom's gonna have one too because I can't like just watch her have a s'mores. I have to have one. One marshmallow. We're gonna put that in the microwave.
Can I have one?
We're gonna, oh no, my chocolate. I need to be keeping this in the fridge. It is melted. All right, so put that in the microwave for 20 seconds. Now hit start. Put this on top of the marshmallow and put this on top of the chocolate.
Is it okay to eat?
Yep. S'mores cheers. We're both going to be quiet for several minutes to come.